How do I activate two-player mode in Sonic Forces?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a feature of Sonic Forces that's often overlooked: how to activate the two-player mode. We'll walk you through the steps to enable you to enjoy the game with a friend or family member.
What is two-player mode in Sonic Forces?
Before we dive into the process, let's first clarify what we mean by the two-player mode in Sonic Forces. Sonic Forces doesn't traditionally have a built-in two-player mode like some other Sonic games. However, Sonic Forces offers a way to compare your single-player progress with other players through rankings, which some players may consider a form of indirect multiplayer interaction.
Is there a workaround?
While it's disappointing for those hoping to enjoy this game with a friend in real time, there are workarounds. Sonic Forces Speed Battle, for example, is a separate game available on iOS and Android devices. This game is a real-time multiplayer game where you can race with up to 4 players.
How to use rankings for multiplayer interaction?
If you're looking to utilize the single-player mode in a competitive multiplayer fashion, you can take advantage of the game's ranking system. You can complete levels and missions and then compare your scores and times with your friends to see who performed better. Here's how you can do it. 1. Play the game. Simply play Sonic Forces as you normally would. Complete levels and earn as many points as possible. 2. Check the rankings. After completing a level, you can check the rankings to see where you stand. 3. Compare with your friend. Have your friend play the same levels and compare your scores to see who did better. Although Sonic Forces may not have a traditional two-player mode, there are ways to bring a multiplayer experience into the game. Whether it's through the separate Sonic Forces Speed Battle game or by using the game's ranking system to compete indirectly with your friends, you can still get that competitive edge. We hope this video helps you make the most of your Sonic Forces experience. Enjoy gaming!